The world elites are freaking out. They are currently losing billions of dollars in hours. Soon, the bloodbath will get even worse. And actually, Skylar, will you drop me the screen down, please, with the dude that's probably going to go to jail, Sam? Yes, he's the one with the bushy hair, Sam. I just said probabilities. Thank you. No, Skylar, wrong one. That's actually Graham. I wonder if you could still get that $100 in crypto. Try again. Bushy hair. Bushy. No, that's Kevin O'Leary. He has absolutely no hair. Try one more time. No, not that one. The other. There we go. That's the story. There he is. That's the cat. Okay, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. From 30, under 30, doing 30. Oh, I mean, billions and billions of dollars just in a flip of a switch. I mean, FTX just got hit with $6 billion. Everyone's trying to run to the exits. I told you so. This is just, it's all in the charts. The charts will always predict what is going to happen. And for all of you trolls, okay, come on, let's hear a little apology in the comment section. And I do apologize when I, flub up like my titles and thumbnails. I'm sorry. But it looks like a FTX probe. We got some probing going on. Not the kind of probing that he's going to have done. And oh my goody gumdrops. Look at that sea of red in the market. Not like the sea of red that the Republicans thought. Your prayers were like, please give us a sea of red. No, wrong red. And also, finally, my Tesla short closed. That's where I opened it. That's where I took half, and I probably should have just kept it open. So I'm going to wait. I made all the money. I even put that one in the course as an example, along with the last Bitcoin trade that I said this is going to be a false breakout, and then it's going to go to my price target. Got so much heat for taking out that short, and you're like, there's no way, Bravo, you're going to lose so much money. Getting wrecked. I got so much. Getting wrecked. And stop, Skylar, stop doing that. That's not even funny, my friend. There's a lot of people losing a lot of money right now, except for you guys, because you learned how to do these chart things. It predicts the future. Not always. But it has a really good RBI. Which I'm not really a sports guy. I kind of am. RBI. Runs batted in. Pretty sure it's better than a UTI. That's not good. That causes you to itch and pee fire. Also, if you want to take advantage of when people leave comments in the comment section of like, thank you for saving my esophagus. Bravo, I appreciate. It's not me. It's just charts. Just show you how to do it. $200. How to trade it, making money going that way. It all goes in your head, and then I don't have to repeat the same things over and over. That would be my bear market course, which we are currently in. When we're in our bull market course, you go and do my swing trade, which I actually include the swing trade in the bear market course to help you swing trade on the way down. It's not like the other one. It's different. Also, I can promise you that nothing is ever different. Everything just repeats. I've noticed that in my life of 50 a lot of years. It's like the same thing. It's like Groundhog Day, right? You old people out there like me, it all just repeats. You can actually learn how to make money from history. Oh, but it's the charts, not the news. From 30 under 30 to be doing 30. FTX probed by regulators. No, not the regulators, over handling of clients' funds. And now the people of Twitter are finding things. Like I found evidence that FTX might have provided a massive bailout. Oh no. Where did you get those funds from? Oh, they're back. There they are. We're back now, right? Also, I need to clear up some not so much breaking news. Wow, look at that. Bitcoin 16,000. A lot of times I will talk about Tesla or talk about Bitcoin of, how great it is and how it's a speculative, not store of value. And I might tell you all the good things about maybe even like gold and silver, but that's not how I make money. I trade this. So even if I come off as a fanboy with Bitcoin, look, this is my price target. See, right there. Well, it's right there. That's probably a drunk line. My apologies. And again, it's all, look, you want to see how close it is in the course? Right there. I said, this is exactly probability what's going to happen. It's going to go boop. It's going to come up, even though it didn't. And some of you guys are like, it's easy to predict charts now. Why don't you, Bro, I tell you what's going to happen in the future. I did that with Tesla, Apple, Bitcoin, and it's just the charts. And everyone said to me, not everyone, a lot of people, you're an idiot. You don't know anything about crypto and, FTX and all of these things. And how would you know that? And I told you, I don't know what's going to happen. I can just tell you something's going to happen. Kind of like with the Fed, kind of like with interest rates, which are at over 7%, 7.15. Woo! So I can tell you what's going to happen to the housing market. I actually knew about this in December of last year. The charts were predicting it. The bond market had a huge head and shoulders pattern, which I was an idiot because I looked at the charts and I said, well, it'll be back. That's what I want to try to teach you. Well, you teach you. Do the course. You'll learn it. You'll never have to turn on YouTube again. And then you don't have to listen to Shark Tank, Kevin O'Leary, signals investors should back Solana. And it's gone. I mean, great projects. FTX, probably not so good of a project. Altcoins, like these guys, you watch TV and you're like, oh my gosh, they know what they're talking about. Right, Minnie? No, it's a clown show. This is all just, woo, bring out the clowns. From politics to celebrities, learn the charts. And also, if you win the lottery or something, or you make billions of dollars, just walk away. You won. Congratulations. Go do the rest of your life. He just lost near 94%. It's probably 100% by now because that article was November 8th. So the rest of the 6, that's gone too. Now, the question you might be asking in all the markets, how much lower, Bravo? Right there. I've been telling you that since, when did I do this? Was this December? I don't know. It's been forever. Same thing. Dow Jones Industrial Average. When, Bravo? Let me turn on a couple indicators. Well, besides this one, which is a gigantic head and shoulders-ish. But it's not confirmed. So you got to wait till there's confirmation. Not confirmation. Where is the Dow going to go from here? You want to know where the market's going to go? Open this up. This is your MACD. Look, do you see how high we are? Look, we're higher than ever. This thing's going to have a pullback. Look, well, except for 2020, right? Remember, everyone was like, here, everyone, free money. No, you can go back. How far back? To forever? No, we are so overbought right now. So yes, the market's going to rally, but then the market's going to drop. And you know this by just turning on all the indicators. Look, here's another one. RSI, you're overbought. Okay. It's going to come down here. That means you're oversold. That's where you enter. This is where you exit. This is where you take. Actually, let me move that up. Woo! Look at that. Let me bring it down a little bit. There is your left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Come on down. And thank you for playing. But we'll go ahead and take that. Even though these guys are cool, right? Leaders, they're cool. Everything's great. Wow, I'm just watching these numbers. So ugly. I mean, it's not even close. Crypto is like a complete dumpster fire. Tesla stock could fall another 43%. Why? Because of the charts. Not because he's gonna, oh, look, it's the truck that I still have on order, which I'll probably never even get. 43% as key support level is breached. Because that's what it's all about. Support, resistance. And investors deal with the Twitter circus show. Wall Street analyst says. Some of you guys said, when's your, in the comment section, what's your next position on Tesla? Okay, so probabilities. Ooh, wow. You got no support right here. You're currently witnessing that. This would be support. This should have been support. It's broke it. So now we come down to $166. So if you're still hodling, you're going to have to tread water for a little bit longer. But I think my next position is not yet. This is what I want to do. And then I'll tell you, which I hate doing that because then I have to come back. Here's my Apple short. Here's my Tesla short. Here's my, whatever it is, short. It's going to come back and retest something and then get rejected, and then I'll put in a short. But for as crazy as it is, and people are like, that's impossible. I will drink motor oil if it goes down to, this is my price target, $80 for Tesla. How? I just measured that. I was actually conservative. When it breaks, here, I'll give you the exact number. $83, $84. So there you go. Right there. Okay. Which that has no support in that area either. So Probably lower. You get there, you're going lower. Wow, and just looking at these, Peloton down 10% today. It's at $8. See that circle? I'm like, that's where you get out. That's where you take profit. Look at that gap. That is bigger than the gap in my teeth when I was like 10. You baby Jesus for braces, or I would have never got the honey pot. Actually, it looks kind of like Snapchat. 9. And these, you know what, guys? These companies, for you buy on hodlers, Neo, $9. There's a thing called bankruptcy, right? These companies are going to go into bank. That's it. It's all over. So whether you were in at and you're still waiting, right? Wait, hold at $66, and now you're at whatever. It'll $4. You don't get that either. Thanks for playing. That's what this all is. It's a game. And some of you call it a rigged game, but it's not rigged. If you just here, Disney, left, I can't get to it. Wow, that was one back in the day that played out. That was that's support and resistance. I was thinking, oh, was that a flag? Yeah, that was a flag. Sorry, that was your price target. And spot on. Okay, what do we got here? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break. See, we broke. See that little line? Gap down, broke it, gone. Oh, that's so painful, Bravo. I say it's not, Mickey. You wait until this thing really plays out. Guys, you got to carry this top of the head, right? Here to, now I'm being sloppy. I'm just doing this. I'm doing this live from Saturday night. What is this, Tuesday? I don't even know. Here, it goes there. But don't hold me to it. That's woof. Yikes. That would make Goofy clinch. Oh, where are you going, Mickey? Going down the list of all of these billionaires, the 200 billion billionaire club is now empty. Elon Musk, the only member of this club, was recently ejected following the fall. See, it's just, hey, there he is again. What goes up must come down. The charts predict. I bet, Riot, you're like, how long have you been saying that the market's going to crash? I'm like, wait for it. It just doesn't. Again, everyone wants just to wake up one morning, Bitcoin's at 0. It's not going to 0. Now, Meta, that might, right? Facebook, bye, Mark. It was nice. Take your paycheck on the way out. Or the people that work for you, 11,000 jobs. And here's your token on the way out. I got this wrong. And it's so sad because people that you trust, they come on, CNBC, Mark, what are we doing with Meta? Yes, it's a strong company. Guys, please, if you've learned anything from me, learn how to read the charts, please. Even though you have passion for Elon or Tesla or all of the fundamentals, that's what it is. It's fundamentals. And I say fundamental, schmundamental. Like here, crypto. You want to know what's going to take down Bitcoin? Well, nothing. It's going to be around forever. You're just probably going to go to jail if you use it. Actually met Doug about a few weeks ago. International man, can the government ban Bitcoin? 3 things you need to know today. I don't even need to read his, I mean, I could, but I would probably bore you. The $64,000 question. Yeah, I'll tell you, the government, they have the monopoly. They get to make money out of thin air. Basically, it's dead. Forget it. I'm not even going to explain that, but they are in control of it. They're not going to give up that control. Nope. And they have an army that's going to protect that. I mean, anytime the people are like, let's do gold. It's great. I love gold. Let's do silver. Love silver. Bitcoin. Love it. It's great. But the government's going to say, nope, you can't use it. Great Depression. Give us your gold. Let's go ahead and repeg this thing. If you use it, I mean, what was it on the history books? Illegal for 40 years? And let me just fact check myself from onlygold.com. Yes, in this country, was I close on the years? 33, 43, 53, 63, 70. Hey, did I say 40? I missed it by a year. That was pretty close. It was illegal, right? You know, it's illegal to go outside. It's illegal. You got to do everything we tell you to do. Put that in your arm. Put that on your face. Do this, do that. Make sure your kids do the same thing. Do everything that we tell you to do. And the people are right? I mean, look what just happened last night. Oh, there's going to be a red wave. No, sorry, you guys, it wasn't. Pounding down too much opium juice last night. It was illegal. I know, it's the world's crazy, and you're like, these people can fix it. No, they can't. You can fix it. You can fix your life. You can make your life better. You can create habits that change your life. Habits change lives, and you do that. You want to be a millionaire? Well, copy a millionaire, do the habits. Write it down and do a step-by-step, and I'll tell you, you'll be a lot closer than you are now. You'll be closer then than you are right now. I mean, the reason why you're watching me right now is because I got out a little yellow sticky. It was actually white. Wrote it down. I'm going to do one video a week for 1 year. Like, I had step by step. And I'm like, I'm going to do that every single day. I have habits. And when I look at a habit, I'm like, that's a terrible habit. I then read books. Well, not really. I do audio because I'm a terrible reader. I walk like today, 10,000 in the morning. Then I worked out, and I have habits that I do every single day. That's why you're seeing me. Then when I found that my blood pressure was almost 200, I said, I got to fix that habit. And I brought that down. How did I do that? I learned new habits and got rid of the old. But from 1974, 33 to 74, sorry about the squirrel, U.S. citizens to own gold in the form of gold bullion without a special license. So you couldn't have it. What was it, 29, 33, something like that they're just like, you'll go to jail, you'll have to pay $1 trillion. And I said 33, 34, the Gold Reserve Act of 1934. And they have all these new acts that Biden just signed that's going to take away all of your rights, but you probably don't even know about it. Hey, you guys, in the end, it's up to you to make your life, not get mad at other people because they're screwing with your sandwich. You're like, I clearly didn't order a poop sandwich. No, you make your own life. You do your own thing. Start businesses, trade equities, and find an island. Or you can come to my island. I'll go to yours. And one big happy family. So make sure you subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.